Imagine a man inventing a technology that powers nearly every home on earth, yet dying alone, poor, and almost forgotten. A man whose ideas were so far ahead of his time that many people called him a wizard. A visionary who dreamed of free wireless electricity, robots, and global communication decades before the modern world. This is the incredible story of Nikola Tesla, one of the history's greatest inventors and one of the greatest tragedies. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856 in the village of Similjan, then part of Austrian Empire, now located in modern Croatia. His father, Milutin Tesla, was a Serbian Orthodox priest. His mother, Georgina, had never received a formal education but possessed remarkable engineering talent. She created household tools and mechanical devices with her own hands. Tesla often said that his inventive abilities came from his mother. From an early age, he displayed an extraordinary memory. He could visualize entire machines in his mind without drawing them on paper. While other children played games, Tesla imagined inventor Thomas Edison. It reportedly stated, "I know two great men, one is you, the other is this young man." Tesla began working for Edison immediately. The two inventors had very difficult and different philosophies. Edison believed in improving existing inventions through constant experimentation. Tesla preferred mathematical precision, imagined complete machines before building them. Their relation quickly deteriorated. According to Tesla, Edison promised him a large financial reward if he improved his electrical generators. After completing the work, Tesla claimed he never received the promised payment. Disappointed, Tesla resigned. At the time, Edison promoted direct current or DC electricity. DC worked well all over short distances but lost energy quickly and required many power stations. Tesla believed there was a better solution, alternating current, known as AC electricity. Unlike DC, AC could travel much further while using much less energy. Investor George Westinghouse recognized Tesla's brilliant ideas and purchased many of his patents. This sparked the famous War of Currents. Edison launched public demonstrations to convince people that AC was dangerous. Animals were electrocuted in shocking demonstrations to create fear. Even the first electric chair used AC, partly to associate Tesla's system with danger, but science ultimately prevailed. In 1893, the world's Columbian Exposition in Chicago was illuminated using Tesla's AC system, dazzling millions of visitors. Soon afterward, Tesla's technology helped power the Niagara Falls hydroelectric plant, delivering electricity across long distances for the first time. This achievement transformed modern civilization. Today, nearly every electrical grid on Earth relies on alternating current. Tesla's imagination knew almost no limits. He developed the Tesla coil, capable of producing spectacular high voltage electrical discharge. He experimented with wireless transmission of energy. He demonstrated radio controlled boats in 1898, an invention many considered impossible. People laughed, some believed that the boat contained hidden wires, others claimed magic was involved. Tesla calmly explained that the boat was controlled by radio waves. Many historians consider this one of the earliest demonstrations of modern robotics. Tesla also evolutionized smartphones, wireless communication, renewable energy sources, drones, and globally connected information networks. Many of these ideas seemed impossible in his lifetime. Today, they are part of everyday life. Tesla's most ambitious project was the Wardenclyffe Tower. Its purpose was revolutionary. Tesla hoped to transmit electricity and information wirelessly across the globe. If successful, electricity might have been available almost anywhere without traditional power lines. The project attracted financial support from banker J.P. Morgan. However, cost increased dramatically. When Morgan realized Tesla's plan might provide electricity without easy ways to charge customers, financial support disappeared. Construction stopped, the tower was never completed. Years later, it was demolished. Tesla's greatest dream vanished before becoming reality. His final years, despite holding hundreds of patents and changing the world forever, Tesla struggled financially during his later years. He lived in New York hotels, often unable to pay his bills. He developed a deep affection for pigeons, feeding them every day. Tesla continued inventing until the end of his life. Although many of his later ideas were considered unrealistic or lacked financial backing. On January 7, 1943, Nikola Tesla died alone in a hotel room in New York City at the age of 86. Shortly after his death, government officials collected many of his papers for examination. This event fueled decades of speculation and mystery surrounding his unpublished work. Nikola Tesla never became as wealthy as many inventors of his era, but wealth was never his greatest achievement. His real legacy surrounds us every day. Every time electricity travels across power lines, every time a motor spins, every time wireless communication connects people across the globe, a part of Tesla's vision lives on. He proved that imagination can shape the future. He showed that one determined mind can change civilizations forever. Nikola Tesla was more than an inventor. He was a dreamer whose ideas helped build the modern world. History doesn't always reward the people who change it. Tesla died without great wealth, but his inventions became the foundation of the modern world. Every city illuminated at night, every factory powered by electric motors, every home connected to an electrical grid, every wireless signal traveling through the air carries a piece of Tesla's vision. Today, his name is honored across the world. Schools, museums, scientific awards, and even one of the world's most famous electrical vehicle companies bear his name. More than a century after his greatest discoveries, Nikola Tesla continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and dreamers everywhere. His story reminds us that true greatness isn't measured by the fame or fortune.